Another slice of unboxing paradise. It's the Ulanzi PT-2 dual cold shoe mount. Now this is simply a mount that expands one camera or tripod mount shoe into two. And all that's holding the packaging together is a staple. So pretty easy to get it out. And there you go. Simple packaging. There's an image of it right behind where the unit itself is. And there it is. There's not much to it. But it's nice quality. And we'll do a quick demo of it later. But basically you could mount a flash or a light or a mic and two different. It's just a 2-to-1 expander that mounts down to your camera or whatever mount you have. So nice and simple, but good to have, because I may be dual miking or dual lighting certain setups. So the Ulanzi PT-2 build quality seems good. We'll do a functional test later. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.